In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add expenses in Hubstaff. Whether you're managing a small business or a large organization, tracking expenses accurately is crucial for keeping your finances in check. Hubstaff offers a streamlined way to manage these expenses efficiently, and today I'll be walking you through the process step by step to ensure you have all the tools you need to get started. First, let's navigate to the financial section of Hubstaff. Begin by locating the financial sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. You may notice it contains various features that Hubstaff offers to make managing your organization's finances as seamless as possible. Click on that arrow icon, which will expand the financials options and bring us to the different financial management functionalities available in Hubstaff. Now, once we're in the financial section, direct your attention to the Expenses tab. This is where all the magic happens. Clicking on Expenses will allow us to access the main hub, where you'll not only be able to see any previous expenses recorded for your organization, but also manage new ones. This clear overview helps you keep track of all financial outgoings, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. It's time to add a new expense. You'll find a button labeled Add Expense, usually quite prominent on the screen. Clicking this will initiate the process of recording a new cost that needs to be accounted for within your business finances. The interface typically prompts you to fill in essential details correlated with the expenditure. These details usually include the expense's date, the amount, any relevant notes, and the category it falls under. Remember, the more detail and context you provide here, the easier it will be to review and audit later if necessary. After inputting all the necessary information, it's crucial to save your work. The Save button is your final step and acts as a seal of assurance that the new expense entry has been successfully added to your financial records in Hubstaff. Clicking this will confirm the action, and there you go. You've just added a new expense. By following these steps, expense management in Hubstaff can become a hassle-free experience. It allows you to keep all records in one convenient location, perfect for analyzing business spending or preparing for tax season. With these tools at your disposal, you'll be well equipped to maintain an organized and transparent overview of your finances. So there you have it. You're now ready to begin using Hubstaff to manage your expenses efficiently. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on mastering other features in Hubstaff.